Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a base black soap, how to make black soap base. Please, if you are just stopping by for the first time, please I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and loved ones. Also give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the post notification bell so you get updated whenever I upload a new video. So I'm making black soap base, and I'm making use of 3 pieces of Ghana wrapped black soap. And you can see me do here, I am chopping it. There are different ways of making black soap. You can either grate your black soap, chop your black soap, or you can pound it, or you can also cook your black soap. So whichever way is convenient for you, or whichever way you prefer or you like doing it, you can also do it the way you like it. And in this video I'm chopping it with knife. So I think this is the second black soap, and the reason why I'm showing you how I chopped my black soap, or how I made use of the 3 black soap. I can just as well chop the 3 of them without even showing you individually or differently how I did it. I chopped them differently so you will know the right measurement. So you know the right measurements to use when you are making your black soap, so you won't make mistake. Like now you can see me adding my Ghana white balls. These Ghana white balls serve as foam booster. It makes your soap ladder, to make your soap ladder, you understand? So when making black soap, you can as well just add 2 or 3 pieces of this whitening balls, this Ghana white balls to your soap. But I'm making use of 3 wrap Ghana soap, and I'm also adding the full pack of the Ghana white balls into it. Alright, hope you understand. So I'm adding, the next soap I'm adding is the ozone soap, and I'll be making use of 3 pieces of ozone soap. The ozone soap helps detoxify the skin, helps speed up cells turnover, helps stimulate collagen production, helps treat uneven skin tone. The main benefit, or the key benefit of the ozone soap, includes whitening, lightening, cleansing, glowing the skin, and fighting skin infections, stretch marks, etc. It's mostly used, the main purpose is to use it to premix black soap. It's not intended to be used directly. You can't use the ozone soap directly. This soap helps lighten the skin, in the sense that if you want a glow soap, it will give you a glowing skin. If you want a lightening soap, it will give you a lightening skin tone. If you want a whitening soap, it will give you a whitening soap. So it's basically used to mix black soap. It depends on the kind of black soap you want. So chop your ozone soap into tiny bits as well. Then you later transfer it into your black soap, your Ghana soap, in the big bowl. I made use of these 3 colors of ozone soap, the white, the yellow, and the pink, because I'm making a whitening soap. These 3 colors helps with sharp whitening. Like if you want to make a whitening soap, because I'm making a whitening soap, so I made use of these 3 colors. After pouring in your ozone soap into your black soap, add your 3 days green whitening balls into the soap, and also add in your anti-pimples balls as well. And if you observe that you cannot melt it, use your grater. And in this case, in my own case, I made use of my grater to grate the 3 days whitening balls and anti-pimples balls into the soap. So up next is to add in the turmeric powder into the soap. I made use of 80 grams of turmeric powder, and I poured it into the soaps, and I later added warm water into the soap. Make sure it's not too hot and it's not too warm, it's just in between. I added it to the soap. You can also make use of distilled water. You can boil your distilled water. Make sure it's warm water. So after pouring it in, I will use my spoon, or I will later use my turning stick to mix the soaps together with the water and allow it to melt for 3 days. Cover it up for 3 days, and the best thing to do is to get a container that has cover, a storage container that has cover, but in this case I made use of foil paper, and you can also use paper wrap to cover your black soap if you don't have a container that has cover. So this is 3 days later. Our soap base, our black soap base, is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends and loved ones. Also join my channel membership. The link is up there and in the description box. I so much appreciate you. Thank you for being there. To all my subscribers, to all my returning subscribers, those that comment on my videos, thank you so much. Mwah.